I'm a former Taco Bell employee and I'm showing you how to recreate your favorite menu items at home. Today we're making the Crunchwrap Supreme.
I have worked in the food industry for years, Kamir, and I know one thing for a fact. When somebody says, as a former employee of, take notes, write down the recipe because that is in fact the recipe. And now we are going to learn how to make crunch wraps at home for a way more affordable price. And I know what people are thinking, Jordan, don't you need the secret recipe for the ground beef first? You want to start with 1.5 tablespoons of masa harina, which is corn flour, then 4.5 teaspoons of chili powder, a half teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, seasoned salt, a half teaspoon of paprika. Now the paprika and the chili powder look the same, but they are not. Please don't mix up the measurements. I've done that before. Then after that, you want to do a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, a half teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of dried minced onion, and then 1/2 teaspoon of beef bouillon powder. Let this simmer, then we'll mix. Strain out some of the fat, and then you want to add the seasoning and 3/4 cup of water. Now we mix. Here's the ground beef. Next, you want to heat up an extra large 12-inch tortilla. First, you want to put the meat in the tortilla. Then add nacho cheese and cover it and push it down with a tostada shell. Next, put sour cream and lettuce on top. You can put tomatoes on it, but I don't like tomatoes. Now you're going to fold it in an octagon shape. Now to fold it, you're going to fold literally the corners inward, just like this, until you get an octagon shape. Now we are going to brown it on both sides. Okay, both sides have browned really well. Now we can cut it open. Okay, here is our Crunchwrap Supreme. Here we go, and for all these ingredients, it cost me about $15. And with that, we can make about 8 crunch wraps. So let's give it a try. That's it. I'm gonna put beans in it next time, but that is amazing. Give it a try.